Hey guys, subscribe to Siddharth's YouTube channel because that guy's crazy and there's some crazy shit and the guy just walked into our frame and that's how crazy it gets. So watch. Did you see his head?
Very
Weirdo.
ugly guy, man. Obnoxious behavior, man.
Like, really? Okay.
Do you like music festivals? Because here you say, मैं जा रही हूँ एक बैंड ढूंढ ले जिसके साथ मैं म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल जा सकूँ. Do you like music festivals?
I mean, I don't go to any, but I would like to attend some because, I've just been working for so long.
क्या बोल रहे हो? तुम तो म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल सब गए होगे.
As a child, I used to go to Kalakar Orchestra. हाँ भाई और बहनों अब आ रहे हैं and they used to echo, right? For example, अब आपके सामने पेश है सिद्धार्थ कनन.
The old echo वाला.
खुद ही echo करते थे. So वो सारे but music festival, I think thanks to my father used to go for a lot of classical stuff as a
nice.
child. और उसके बाद I was never into English music. तो वो मैं सुनता नहीं था ज़्यादा. I was heavily influenced by Indian music and Indian film music. I got a chance for the first ever concert I went was the Michael Jackson concert
Oh, that's
Ooh, I like that, man.
in Mumbai.
And I also went, yaar, Andheri Sports Complex.
It was complex. It was
That's
an
super
event
cool.
of a lifetime. Then after that, during a world tour with in 2008, it was with, obviously Amit ji, Abhishek, Ash, Preeti Zinta, and Jayaji. So Amit ji and Ash got us passes for the 25th year concert of George Michael. It was the last
Oh,
concert.
that's so cool too.
So I got a chance to watch George Michael, and then of course, Pink Floyd here and.
Listen, but I want to do this,
I
man.
got a
Let's do
chance,
one
yeah.
Michael Jackson. Ow!
1, 2, 3.
Ow! But banjo में बस्ती में गई थी. You went to the basti, right?
What's a busty?
Basti means a neighborhood kind of a place. It's a neighborhood. Basti. Basti means it's like a
Local kind of?
yeah, like the village.
Okay,
like a
so I
fisherman
went to a
village.
busty.
Yeah, how was it, man?
I
Did
wouldn't
you-
call it
did
a
you-
slum, but I would just call like a
Yeah,
settlement.
Yeah, it was nice there.
Yeah.
I liked it. I enjoyed being there because it's not a place I would get to see. And I've been here for like 5 years or so, and I haven't seen hardly anything in Mumbai because I don't really get out of my house. So it was a pleasure. And the people were so nice. That was really cool. So it was nice. It was a nice
Yeah, it was
experience.
wonderful. They had amazing food. तो बैंजो के lunch break के वक्त
हाँ.
local fish.
Hi, Rabba.
वहाँ के लोग ताज़ा ऐसे पकड़ के आते थे और शाम को ready. And they had this amazing Kori Malwani preparation that they had. And it was wonderful just to...
So did you have those fish delicacies as well?
No.
You didn't? You don't like fish?
No, she's very particular about what she eats and which is great.
Wow. मैं बताऊं मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया यार वो सब सोचकर. But I saw that video of yours when you tweeted about someone having makhana.
Oh, the little otter eating the makana?
Yeah, what is that? Is that your pet?
No, I said that's me, the way I eat makana when I watch a film.
And how's that?
I'm the guy.
Exactly like that.
Yeah. It was really funny,
Yeah?
and I really eat like that.
Wow.
यार इनका जो परसेप्शन है जैसे ट्रेलर्स में देखता हूँ आपके फिल्म में ये फटाका टाइप्स है पर कहीं ना कहीं is there a tomboy in you as well?
There is many different people inside of this brain. There's,
So-
Hence the certificate.
yeah.
Sort of fact.
It just depends when they want to come out.
ये आप क्या कर रहे थे अभी? अभी मैंने आपको कुछ करते हुए देखा क्या?
मैं सिर्फ देख रहा था forearms इनके अच्छे हैं.
Yeah.
ये बहुत
मुझसे कम
मस्कुलर भी है यार.
No, of course, workout करती हैं.
Look at that muscle, man.
It's very-
आप अपना muscle दिखाओ.
Yeah, that's good. Hee! Hoo!
And the most strongest lady award goes to Nargis.
No, actually not.
Why is that?
I'm not very strong.
You're very very strong. आपके muscles को देखो.
Yeah, but they're very weak. Don't be fooled by the illusion.
Thank God. So then if I flirt with you, I won't get socked. That's all.
That's not true.
Yeah.
You will get soft.
But you know what? जब तुम म्यूजिकल फिल्म करते हो कहीं तुम्हारा एक रॉक स्टार वाला चीज रहा है बचपन में where you say yeah I wish I'd gone on stage and done head banging and stuff like that because I always wanted to be a rock star.
No, I never had such aspirations in life as a child. पर मुझे स्टेज से काफ़ी डर लगता था तो जब भी मैंने होस्ट भी किया है तो मेरे पैर कांपते थे उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली गॉट यूज्ड टू इट जब ये कैरेक्टर करने का मौका मिला तो आई थिंक काफ़ी सारे रेफरेंसेस थे लाइफ में कि अरे इसको ऐसा होना चाहिए या बाल ऐसे हैं बिकॉज ये बाल का आइडिया मेरा नहीं था ये डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर कृषिका
Yeah.
द्वारा और डायरेक्टर रवि यादव, ये दोनों ने कहा कि बाल लंबे होने चाहिए। बस लंबे बाल लंबे नहीं होने चाहिए लंबे बाल। वो सोचते थे कि यार बस्ती का अगर रॉक स्टार हो तो कैसा होगा। तो आई थिंक दैट वाज द वन थिंग दैट वी वर्कड ऑन। और उसकी अपनी खुद की एक स्टाइल है और वो लाउड नहीं है। जैसे आप कपड़े देखोगे ना इसके तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक म्यूटेड। तो ग्रे शर्ट होगा, उसी का अंदर टी शर्ट होगा, वैसी एक जीन्स होगी। It's not like he pops out. So earthy colors, that's what he's worn.
Have you ever had, Nargis, a rock star kind of a feel in life where you said, man, one day I want to bounce on stage, be a musician and stuff like that? Have you ever had that deep doubt?
When I get on stage, I get really, really nervous.
You get nervous.
Yeah.
When you get on the sets also, say when you were jamming with Ritesh the first time, were you nervous?
No, because the set is different. A set is like a closed space, and we were together, and he's really nice, and I know everyone, so I felt safe. So no, I'm not a jammer. I like to just watch.
कभी कोई instrument खेला कि नहीं?
I learnt this Hawaiian guitar.
Oh, the
I trained.
ukulele.
It's called ukulele?
Yeah, that small one.
No, it's actually the one that you
banjo
put on your lap.
Oh, that.
Okay, and there are 6 strings, and you have a steel rod.
Oh.
And you have a plectrum. So all you play, then you move.
What is that one?
It's called the Hawaiian guitar.
Do you play it well?
But what is it?
I trained for 2 years,
Wow.
but the system is quite close to banjo. So when I had to play banjo, I knew what to. Then I had played banjo as a child, so it came that way easy to understand the instrument. It wasn't new.
You played any instrument?
I tried to play the acoustic guitar, but I love it so much, but I'm not that good at it.
What is the reaction when you play the acoustic guitar around people? Do they just walk away or they say, ठीक है?
I don't play it around people. I play it alone.
Or
Yeah.
you've got 2 listeners here right now, man.
Yeah, but I don't have an acoustic guitar.
Actually, we have one.
Do you?
Yeah.
Anyways, I haven't played in a while, as you can see, because my nails are long, so it's quite hard.
I want one crazy laughter from each one of you. That's me, you, her, and we'll decide who's got the craziest laughter. All right? Ritesh bhai, starting with you. Starting now, Nargis, you. That was like a blockbuster, man.
Janice from Friends.
Okay,
Chandler.
अब तक आप जानते थे नरगिस बकरी को, मिली है नरगिस बकरी को।
Oh, no.
Oh God, but
You got this. How many variations of these laughters do you have, man?
So many. You should see when I do a photo shoot and they say, be more smiley and happy. And I'm like, ha 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 ha. So when you see me smile, that's what I'm actually doing.
My God, yaar. Laughter champion, Nargis. Sansui Star Special Quickies.
Sansui.
What word do you use most of the time?
It's a cuss word.
You.
कड़कड़।
उसका अर्थ?
कड़कड़ एक हमारे जो डायरेक्टर है बैंजो के रवि यादव, वो जब भी कुछ अच्छी चीज़ होती थी सेट पर तो कड़कड़ यानी कड़क, और उनका एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट था कड़कड़। सो उनसे सीखकर अभी पूरे प्रमोशन के दौरान बोला यार कड़कड़, जैसे ये इंटरव्यू एकदम कड़कड़ है।
क्या बात है भाई, ये भी बहुत कड़कड़ है, आप भी बहुत कड़कड़ हो।
और आप तो हो ही
कड़कड़।
कड़कड़।
Your most bizarre quality now that we know.
You're
So many. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I have a lot of bizarre qualities.
Like one.
I have obsessions with like researching about things.
What things?
Like I have this thing. Forget it. I'm not saying anymore.
Come on, it's okay.
I pass.
क्या होगा ये किसी को मालूम नहीं।
जी।
Your bizarre quality.
My bizarre quality actually, whenever someone cracks a joke, I start laughing and I go to hug that person wherever that person is. So I don't know. Some people say, "Why are you going this way?" So
That's weird.
yeah, so like you crack a good joke, I'll come and hug you. But since you've
so
never cracked a
strange.
good joke, I've never hugged you.
चप्पल छोटी हो जाए पैरों में नहीं आती, बाबा बोलो।
वाह वाह
चप्पल छोटी हो जाए पैरों में नहीं आती,
वाह वाह।
गर्लफ्रेंड मोटी हो जाए बाहों में नहीं आती।
I wouldn't. You know, you have a lot of things to say
Bad
about women,
jokes.
yeah.
I love them from the bottom of my heart. Before we sign off, one panja contest between both of you. Lights, camera, action! इसको कहते हैं बैंजो का पावर, इसको कहते हैं वुंडेड बैंजो।
Meet my male co-actor Nargis.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ritesh and Nargis. Love you guys.
Thank you.
Banjo बजाते रहो. Watch their film. I love these two. और ऐसे ही हंसते रहो. Bye.
हाय गाइस, ये सिद्धार्थ करण का यूट्यूब चैनल है. प्लीज़ मेरी सुनिए और इसको सब्सक्राइब मत कीजिए, मत कीजिए, मत कीजिए. दूर रहिए, दूर रहिए. ये इंटरनेट का कैंसर है.